Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Kilé, and as always, I'm super grateful for you coming and checking out this channel. And today, with this success vlog, what I want to talk to you about is giving it your all. That's all we can do. We just got to give it everything that we have for today. So many of us, including myself, get in our way because we're thinking of the end goal. We're thinking of the obstacles. We're thinking of what people are going to be thinking about us. That can't matter. So for today, all you have to do is just give it everything that you have. Give it all that you got, because that's all you have. That's all you can do. And everything that you give is enough. But you have to make sure that you give it all that you have, so that way you can make today the best day possible. Our life is short, so give it all that you have, so that way you can rise up, elevate, prosper, and be abundant for this year and for the rest of your life. So thank you so much. If you do find value in this, please hit that playlist up there, so that way you can get more mindset tips and tricks on how you can get yourself to success. And also, smash that subscribe button. Have a beautiful day.